Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are looking at this product here, which is the Omorovicza Budapest Midnight Radiance Mask. So this is what the packaging looks like, if that focuses. So all I can say is I absolutely love all of the packaging and the vibe of this particular brand. To be very honest, this isn't a brand that I had heard of like ever until about last year, when I did sort of get into different skincare and go into Mecca more and all of that. So yeah, it's definitely a newer company to me, but I was so excited to obviously try different things from their line. Now, the other product that I have tested and I have a review on my channel is for the cleansing balm. So if you want to see what I think of that, definitely check that out. So with this one, I was kind of like, what is a midnight mask? I have this thing. Okay, I'm going to be real with you guys for a second. So I do have quite a lot of skincare, and I am like lucky enough to have some high-end products and also some like drugstore cheaper products. I have this weird annoying mentality that I just don't want to use up my more expensive products because then they'll go. So I'm really trying to get out of that mindset because one, obviously things do expire, and two, like why not enjoy things that, you know, you or me are lucky enough to have. So yes, this is a product that I have definitely had for a while, but I just avoid it because I don't want to use it. So getting into it, I'm going to tell you about it first. I always read these things off my phone so I give you the correct information. So this from Mecca is a 50 ml container and it retails for $169. So in my opinion, it is quite expensive. So what it does say about it as well, it is the benefits first. So anti-blemish, it fades pigmentation, pore minimizing, it's sulfate free and paraben free. And it says, awaken your complexion's most radiant and even toned mask with this miraculous overnight mask. The beautifully brightening gel formula melts into the skin, gently exfoliating while balancing hydration to leave your skin feeling clearer, smoother, and miles more radiant. Your skin will never have looked so good in the morning or all day long for that matter. Want glowing skin? These overnight beauty products are what dreams are made of. So it says, for best results, apply a thin, even layer in the evening following cleansing and toning. Leave overnight and cleanse your face as normal the following morning. Use 2 to 3 times a week to maintain a higher, brighter, and more even skin toned complexion. So as I said, this is a product that I've been avoiding, but I have been using it quite a lot recently. So the product itself is a gel-like consistency. And as you can see, I have used quite a bit. It smells super, it's fresh, but it's also a little soapy. I would say, to describe this the best way, it's super soapy smelling. So if you don't like soap, you're not gonna like this. For me, I love the consistency. I actually do like the smell, the feel of the product, the look of the product a lot. So overnight masks like this are something that I have sort of dabbled in using. The main one that I have been using is the Glow Recipe mask. So comparing that to this, I actually do find them quite similar in how I wake up. The consistency is different. This to me is thicker, where the Glow Recipe one is quite of a thin consistency. For me, my honest opinion, I don't particularly love this or any of the other overnight masks that I've tried. I can't think of the other names of them. Because I don't like that super drying feeling. I like to wake up almost with a layer of like hydration, where I just feel like this, you don't have that. Like you can feel some product sort of when you wash it off in the morning, but to me, I just don't really like that whole like more of a drying feeling. Now I know that it is giving you moisture and all of that, like I do understand that, but just the feeling of, yeah, that it's not super hydrated. If you know what I mean, please let me know if you sort of understand what I'm saying. Like I like really hydrating moisturizers, whereas I feel like this is more of a, like it dries your skin, or it's more of a drying feeling in a way. So would I repurchase this? To be honest, no. That's not because of the price or anything. I actually do like this brand, and a couple of products that I have tried, I have enjoyed. But just this type of product is something that I personally don't think works for me, and is something that I don't personally like reach for at all, to be very honest. So yeah, I wouldn't repurchase this. Or really any products like this. I just, yeah, I don't really vibe with them. So yeah, if you like this, let me know your thoughts or your favorite, how do I say it? Omorovicza product. I would love to hear from you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.